Hi everyone, I hope we're all having a great day. Today I'm going to be sharing a quick and easy brow tutorial on shaping them and then carving them out as well. So brows are typically something that a lot of people don't even pay attention to in their makeup routine, but it's really something that can make or break a makeup look. And so I'm going to be teaching you exactly how to do it step by step. I'm really grateful that I have naturally good brows. I don't have anything on my brows right now. And I recommend that if you want to, and if you're looking for a way to kind of just clean them up a little bit, so then you don't have to keep spending time on shaping them and carving them out every day, I recommend that you wax them, and that's what I do once a month. And make sure that you research who you go to, because you don't want botched eyebrows. That's never fun. And so make sure you do proper research, but it can just really speed up things, especially in the morning when you're trying to get ready, but then you have to do brows. It can kind of slow things down a little bit. So yeah, okay. Typically like to do my brows at the beginning of my routine, so there's no makeup on my face and I'm just, bland right now. And so what I recommend doing is get a brow pencil. Now it does not have to be the specific one, but this is the one by Benefit. They're really known for their brow pencils and it's just such amazing quality. I love this brow pencil, and there's a lot of good affordable brands as well, such as NYX Cosmetics. I don't know how to say it, but that's a great brand, especially if you're looking for something that's going to be high quality at a very cheap price. NYX is so good, and they have a ton of different brow tools as well, and so you can really play around with the look and how you want the finish to be, etc. Another great brand is e.l.f. Cosmetics. Now they have the e.l.f. Cosmetics, I believe it's a dupe for the Anastasia Brow Freeze, and that's really good too. So if you love the look of the soap brows, that is the product that's going to help you get them. And so NYX, NYX, and e.l.f. Cosmetics are the two brands that I recommend personally. And then another one that's so good is Benefit, and this is just a brow pencil that I like to use. So this is the Precisely My Brow Pencil in shade 3.75, and what I recommend you do is you're first going to comb them. So I'm going to get a little bit closer here and kind of just comb them that way, and then comb the other side as well. And then what you want to do is grab the part that is actually the pencil. I'm on my wit's end. This is the last. I have another one here. I think I should use that one. This one is done. It's dead. It served me so long though. I've had this since February 2022 and now it's done. Wow. Okay, we're gonna use this other one then. This is the Goof Proof Brow Pencil in shade 3.75. So the same one, and I'm just going to comb again. Both of them are really good, but I like the Precise one just because of the fact that it's precise. I don't need to apply a lot. This one is a lot. You can see the pencil's a little bit bigger, but it's fine. Okay, so what I want you to do is start. So if you're trying to draw a brow shape, what I recommend is you look at a picture of your inspo, because this is going to help you. Instead of visualizing it, this is going to help you a lot more to kind of just see it in front of you, and you're going to be able to recreate it then. But for a natural look, you're just going to go like that. You're just going to gently draw, and then you're going to comb it. And you're going to find too, if you accidentally get it on your skin or something, it's going to combing it is just going to get rid of it, and it's going to make it look a lot more cleaner. Now I don't want to apply too much, because then I'm going to look a little loco. And then also, if you end up applying way too much, you see how I feel like it evens things out a little bit, but I think I definitely did a little too much, but it's fine. And then you just want to comb, and that combing is really just going to kind of correct it as well. We're going to carve them. So when it comes to carving out your brows, you need to get a concealer. Always make sure it's about 2 to 3 shades lighter than your skin tone. The concealer, I'm going to get it on the back of the hand. This is turning into a literal palette. This has happened to me so many times where I go out and there's just so much makeup on my hand. Okay, then what you're going to do is you're going to swipe it like that. Just kind of get it all over the brush. And then to make sure, just to ensure that there's nothing actually on the brush, just do a line down the middle and then just see if it's actually matches the concealer. Okay, now we're going to carve it out. Especially when you have your brows waxed though, you don't really need to do that because things just look a lot already put together, but we're just going to do this, okay? So you see how this is a little bit angled, and this allows you to definitely kind of move in and sharpen it as well. You always have to be so precise, but just follow the brow line. I don't do this often, but there we go. You want to get as close as you can. See? And don't worry. And then once you have it, you're gonna kind of like go like that. There we go. See how it's a lot brighter? Okay, then what you're gonna do is you're gonna get a beauty blender. And you're literally, this is just how I like to do it. It just gives me that natural, like, clean finish. Just gonna go like that. And make sure that you're not actually hitting the brow, because that's gonna kind of ruin the line that you drew. And look at that. Things are just looking a lot brighter on this eye. A bit more concealer. And then we're just gonna draw that line. Okay, there you have it. This side's gonna be easier for me. Look at that. That is so satisfying. And then we're just gonna get the beauty blender again. And obviously there are definitely a lot more ways that make you look. Like, this is just for a natural makeup look, and you just want them to look a little bit neater and more kind of like tamed. I don't know. And there you have it. I feel like it looks a little odd because my skin is just so pale, and then it gets like really, really dark. But I'm gonna be right back once I do my makeup, and then you'll see how it looks in the end, and it's gonna definitely look a lot more even. Here's the finished result. I hope you found this helpful. And have an amazing day. Be sure to subscribe to keep up with the latest on Makeup for Beginners. Bye.